So using Qwen, what you can also do is you can go ahead and generate out frameworks as you like. So for that, you can simply go ahead and let's say, for example, I am making a coffee booking make a framework for my team of 4 programmers on the process of carrying out the task, just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, it says creating a framework for your coffee booking app development will help your team programmers stay organized. So now it actually goes ahead and gives a project overview, as you can see right here. And then it gives the team size of 4 programmers, as you can see right here. So there's lead developer, front end developer right here, just like this. So it goes ahead and divides out the categories of the developers as well. Then it goes ahead and lists down the development frameworks right here, just like this on phase 1. Then it actually goes ahead and divides it into phase 2 and so forth right here, as you can see right there. And that is simply how you can go ahead and develop out a framework, as you can see right here, for your project. You can even be more descriptive, and then it'll go ahead and give you the framework on the basis of that. So you can see that it says phase 5, and then you got the communication and collaboration, then you got tools and resource, then it actually goes ahead and gives you the timeline of it as well right here, and then defines out the deliverables as well. So this is how you can actually go ahead and then generate out frameworks as needed inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.